Hello and welcome to Priya Career Institute's English class. यह वीडियो स्पीक फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश प्रोग्राम के लिए है। इस प्रोग्राम में मैं आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस पर वीक देता हूं और आपको सुझाव देता हूं कि अगर आप अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखना चाहते हैं तो इन क्वेश्चंस की आप प्रैक्टिस करें और धीमे धीमे आपकी आदत ग्रो होने लगती है अंग्रेजी बोलने की। इससे आप की प्रैक्टिकल ग्रामर भी डेवलप होती है और अंग्रेजी बोलने की तो आदत आती ही आती है। यदि इन क्वेश्चंस की सिर्फ आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहते हैं तो फिर आपको एक्स्ट्रा इसके अलावा कुछ भी दूसरी चीज़ें नहीं करनी होती हैं। तो आइए इन क्वेश्चंस की हम एक प्रैक्टिस करते हैं एंड इस तरह से फिर आप भी, और जो आंसर्स मैं बोलता हूँ वो सिर्फ एक मॉडल आंसर्स हैं, यानी वो सिर्फ आपको समझाने के लिए उन आंसर्स को मैं बोल रहा हूँ। लेकिन आपको कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि जो आपकी वास्तविक जो घटनाएं हैं, अपनी वास्तविक घटनाएं और वास्तविक चीज़ें बोलने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जब हम वास्तविक चीज़ों को बोलने का अभ्यास करते हैं और बोलते हैं तब हम अंग्रेजी सीखते हैं। हम नकली चीज़ें बोलकर और नकली सेंटेंसेस बनाकर हम भाषा को नहीं सीख सकते। तो इसलिए अपनी वास्तविक घटनाओं को और अपनी वास्तविक चीज़ों को ही इन क्वेश्चंस के माध्यम से बोलने की कोशिश करें, तभी आप अंग्रेजी या कोई भी भाषा सीख पाएंगे। आइए जस्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं हम। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, नेम 5 थिंग्स यू हैव डन दिस वीक। Name 5 things you have done this week. So I have visited many. I have visited market this week, and I have visited some temples this week. I have completed my homework this week. I have completed the 4th chapter of mathematics this week. I have learned some new questions in science this week, and I also have understood one chapter of civics this week. So in this way I have done a lot of things this week. Name at least 5 things you have done this month. Name at least 5 things you have done this month. This month I have done a lot of wonderful things this month, and I have covered my copies, my notebooks and books this month, and I have met many new people this month, and I have also visited some new places this month. I have made 2 more new friends this month, and I have completed all my work this month. This month I have changed my bag this month, and I have also reset my program this month. I have made I have changed my daily routine, or I have set my daily routine again this month. So I have done a lot of things this month. Name at least 5 things you have done this year. Name at least 5 things you have done this year. This year I have changed my school. This year I have changed my bag. This year I have bought new course, and this year I have changed my class. This year I have paid my school fees. This year I have visited many new places. This year I have met many actors and actresses. This year I have met many saints and learned a lot of things from them. And this year I have made many new resolutions, and in this way I have done a lot of things this year. And then is next sentences. Name the most important things you have done in your life. Name the most important things you have done in your life. So I have done a lot of things in my life too. I have learned a lot of things in my life. I have grown in my life. I have visited many new places in my life. I have met many wonderful people in my life. I have helped many people in my life, and I have also taken a lot of help from people in my life, and I have seen many ups and downs in my life. I have changed many schools in my life. I have also met a lot of and very wonderful teachers in my life. I have learnt a lot of things. Those different teachers in my life, and many teachers I have taken support from many teachers in my life. I have taken or earned a lot of praises from my teachers in my life. I have won many competitions in my life. I have won many prizes in many competitions in my life, and so I have also supported and helped my friends in my life. I have made a lot of friends in my life. So these are the things that I have done, a lot of things in my life. And then next question is, name at least five things that your mother has done for you. Name at least five things your mother has done for you. So my mother has always loved me. My mother has always kept me on her priority. My mother has always cooked a very tasty food. My mother has always protected me from father's anger, from my father's anger, and my brother has always taught me a lot of things, and my mother has always made me strong, and so a lot of things my mother has done for me. My mother has always given me milk to drink, and my mother has always given me belief that she is always with me. So the confidence, she has given me the confidence about life. So my mother has done a lot of things for me. The next question is, what name at least five things your father has done for you. Name at least five things your father has done for you. So my father has introduced me to the world. My father has introduced me to my new school. My father has brought me to this school. My father has got me admitted in this school. My father has helped me starting my business. My father has given me a lot of money to spend. My father has always bought new clothes and toys for me. My father has given me education. My father has taught me a lot of and very useful things, and my father has always helped me in many ways. My father has always protected me from the outside danger, or from the danger that usually keeps coming in front of us in the world. So in this way, my father has done a lot of wonderful things in my life, and I love my father a lot for these things. And then the next question is, name at least five things your brother has done for you. My brother has always helped me in my work. My brother has always shared his bed with me, and my brother has always taken my side. So if somebody has ever attacked me, my brother has always fought for me, and my brother has many times my brother has many times given me his things, or shared his things with me. My brother has many times given me his pocket money. So a lot of things my brother has done for me. The next question is, name at least five things your sister has done for you. Name at least five things your sister has done for you. So my sister has also done a lot of things for me. She has many times drawn figures in my practical file. She has many times completed my homework. She has many times explained many lessons to me, and she has many times given me water when I am eating food. She has many times made tea for me. She has many times washed my clothes, and she has many times lied to parents only because of me, and she has also protected me from parents' anger, and she has many times hidden my mistakes or kept my secret in her mind only because of me, and she did not tell those things to parents. So in this way, my sister has always loved me, and she has done mountainous things or a number of things for me in her life. Then next sentence is, name at least five things your friends have done for you. My friends also have done a lot of things for me. They have always helped me in my work. They have always given me belief that they are always with me in every work. My friends have always taken me to the playground. They have always played with me They have always counted me as an important part of their team, and they have always taken me to the places of entertainment wherever they have gone. They have always taken me on a picnic with them. They have never kept any secret with me, and they have always shared their secrets with me. And they have understood, they have helped me understand the meaning of life. So they are very they are very energetic and very wonderful friends, and they have helped me a lot, and they have done a lot of things in my life and for me. Then is next sentence is, name at least five things your relatives have done for you. So, name at least five things your relatives have done for you. My relatives have many times visited my home, and whenever my relatives have visited my home, they have always come with a lot of gifts, and they have always given me gifts. My relatives have given me a lot of gifts to me. My relatives have helped me understand many things. My relatives have always told us that they are always standing in the hour of need. They have many times shared my personal problems with them, and my relatives also have shared my family's personal problems with them. They have always stood with us or with me whenever I called them or whenever I needed them. So my relatives also have done a lot of things. They have many times in the need of in the hour of need, they have many times given us money. They have lent us money, I mean to say. So a lot of things they have done, and they have guided in many ways. They have recommended many things for us at many places. So my relatives have done a lot of things for me. That is, name at least five things you have done for your mother. Usually children never do anything for their mothers, but of course some of the things every child does. So I also have done a lot of things for my mother. I have always obeyed my mother. I have helped in my mother's work many times in a kitchen. I have many times washed utensils in the kitchen. Whenever my mother has become ill, I have given her water, and I have helped her. I have cared her. I have given her medicine. And also whenever my mother has asked me to bring something from market, then I have many times brought things from market on her order, on her demand. And in this way I have helped a lot my mother. I have always obeyed her, and many times my mother has asked me to spy, and so I have spied for my mother many times. And I have done a lot of things secretly without telling my father. So in this way I have helped my mother a lot, means I have worked as a spy for my mother. And then name at least five things you have done for your father. For my father, I have also done a lot of things for my father. I have always obeyed my father. I have always followed my father. I have always done the things that my father has taught me to do. And I have helped my father in his work. I have always gone to the place wherever my father has ever sent me. If my father has asked me to go somewhere else, I have always gone there. I have also gone to market many times, and brought the things told by my father. And in this way I have many times pressed his legs. Nowadays children don't press their parents' legs, but I have pressed many times my father's legs, and earned a lot of blessings from my father. I have massaged his body, my father's body, whenever he has asked me. And in this way I have always touched my father's feet, and my father has always blessed me for a lot of things. So in this way, I have always I have done a lot of things for my father. Many times I have helped him, and also many I have washed his clothes, and I have always polished my father's shoes. Whenever he has to go somewhere else, I have polished his shoes. And in this way, I have helped my father always. And then the father, after father, name at least five things BJP has done in the country. Yes. So what five things has BJP done for the country? Of course, when we talk about BJP, we come to know that that BJP has at least abrogated Article 370 from the country. So this is the biggest thing. And then BJP has paved the way for a Ram temple. This is also the very biggest contribution of BJP to the country. And this is only the BJP that has made the country a nuclear power. Because always India must remember that nuclear was only tested when the BJP was in the country, was in power. If BJP had not been in power, then nuclear test wouldn't have been and couldn't have been conducted. So BJP has made our country a nuclear powered country. So these are the three things. And BJP has, these days BJP has united the country. Whatever you are and wherever you are, but the people in the name of BJP are united, and they have been voting BJP for at least, I think, 6 or 7 years. They have been voting in the name of BJP. And in this way, a lot of things BJP has done. BJP has solved many political issues. And also the very biggest and important thing is that BJP has given, in the name of Modi, he has given, the BJP has given a global leader to us. And also BJP has taken the name of the country on the top of the world. And BJP has brought the country to the point where people have started calling India the Vishwa Guru, or the teacher of the world. People again have started calling it, and the leader of the world, people have started calling it. So BJP has given all these things. And of course, we must say that BJP has given a wonderful reputation to the country. Then next thing is, name at least five things Congress has done. Here has is not written there. So Congress has done. Name at least five things Congress has done for the country. So what Congress has done for the country? Congress has divided India into India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Congress has helped people die in exodus. So lakhs of people, Congress has helped lakhs of people die in exodus during the partition of India and Pakistan. And Congress has also helped during the riot of 1984. Congress has helped many people die that time. And Congress has always divided India's people into the names of caste, by dividing them into Hindu and Muslims. And also in the names of caste, like you are Yadav and you are Jat and you are Dalit. And Dalit name also has been given. All the people were living very peacefully before 1947, although it was the time of English people. But all the people were living silently and calmly. But Dalit and all these things have been introduced by Congress, and now everybody is fighting. Means, so Congress has brought the country to the point of home war. So civil war, to the point of civil war, Congress has brought the country to this point. So these are the contributions of Congress. Congress has also always suppressed Hindus, crushed Hindus in the country. And Congress has made Hindus the citizen of a third number citizen. The first number is Christian, and then is Muslims, and then third number citizen Congress has made Hindus. Of course, whoever is watching this video must agree with me. And then is name at least 5 things Indian Army has done for the country. Indian Army has always earned reputation for the country. Indian Army has lost its lots of jawans only for the country. Indian Army has secured and kept India's border safe all the times. Indian Army has always earned a credit for the country. India's Army always have fought on the borders of the country, and India's Army has fought lots of wars for the country, and India's Army has won many battles for the country, and Indian Army on India and Pakistan's border, Indian Army loses its jawans daily. So Indian Army has a lot of things, and during the natural calamity, Indian Army has helped to people inside of the country too. So Indian Army has done a lot of things for the country, we can say. And then is name at least 5 things medical science has done for the country. Name at least 5 things medical science has done for the country. Of course, it's very important and a very fantastic question to answer. Indian science has invented lots of equipments and that help diagnose disease. So this is the contribution of medical science. So medical science has invented a lot of equipments to diagnose the diseases, and medical science has researched and invented many drugs to cure a lot of diseases, and medical science has made many diseases curable, and medical science has generated many jobs in the country, and in medical science has given birth and given life to a lot of people in the country, and medical science has also grown faith in God because of its contribution in the country. So medical science has also done a lot of things in the country. So these were the questions. ये questions थे जिनके answers मैंने सिर्फ आपको समझाने के लिए देने की कोशिश की कि इस तरह से हमको इन questions के answers देने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए। एंड यकीन मानिए कि अगर इस तरह से बच्चे या जो भी व्यक्ति अपनी प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हैं अपने घर पर बैठ कर के या अपने दोस्तों के साथ में अगर आप मिल कर के ऐसी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, टीचर्स क्लास के बच्चों को जो टीचर्स स्पीकिंग के लिए जो क्लास लेते हैं स्कूल में बच्चों की, एंड अगर वे टीचर्स अपने बच्चों को इस तरह से बोलना सिखाते हैं तो ये अगर आप 15-16 क्वेश्चंस की ही आप हर टेंस की इस तरह से प्रैक्टिस करा देते हैं तो वो स्टूडेंट पक्का और बहुत अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोलेगा, ये गारंटी है। तो इसी विश्वास के साथ थैंक यू, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। एंड जब तक मैं अगला वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ तब तक इन क्वेश्चंस की बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करें। बाय बाय।